Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club from Amazon. So this is gonna be a smaller kit, which is fantastic because if you don't want to do one of the ginormous ones, it's perfectly fine. Or if you don't have huge amounts of money to go purchase them, then these smaller kits are fantastic for you as well. I do believe you can get these smaller kits as well from like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, whichever your favorite craft store is. You should go check those out. And then you can use your rewards or any of the sales and savings that they have. I did get this one on some sort of sale. I think it might have been a Black Friday Amazon sale, but I can't remember. I've slept since then. So I ended up getting the little cute fox. Um, he is super stinking cute. I don't know. Look. This one is a round. It is a 13-inch by 16-inch or 32.8 centimeters by 40.6 centimeters. So let's get this box open and see what we got. Now these usually from Amazon are going to have old kits in them. They're not going to be the new ones. Could just be that this kit is really old and that's why it's got the old kit. I don't know. So this one has instructions for the warranty if you need it. It also comes with a little mini sticker in there. This you can put in your little Diamond Art Club journal to where you can make sure you have like what you're doing. I will open the kit. Came in the old box, so we'll see what we got. All right, let's dump it all out so I can just go from there. All right, so comes with lots of extra little baggies, which I love. You get this little heart, which has tons of red wax in there. It looks like two different ones, but theirs are really thick. So you will have plenty of wax to go through. If you've never used the wax before, make sure that you peel off the little protector sheet off of the heart before you use it. If you go stabby stabby before you peel that off, you're never going to get wax in there. It's not going to work. um, but hey, we've got to all learn somewhere and somehow, right? So this one is the old kit. So I did get this pretty little washi tape. I got a cover minder, but it was broken. So I'll have to try to glue that back together, see if we can get that to work. You get your standard pen with your little squishy that I can never get on the actual pen. Then we get a 4-placer and a 7-placer, along with a standard little tray. And this is the first one I've ever received that also has a stopper for the tray. The kits that I've all had have all, I don't know if this was supposed to be in there because it doesn't fit very well. Maybe I'm just using it wrong. uh, and I think it was a me thing. Yep. So I got it figured out. So it goes in like this with the little tabby up. That way it blocks. If you can see right there, it completely blocks it. And then you can pull the little tabby to dump your drills back in once you are done. But that's the first time I've ever had one that has the little tabby in there. I don't know if that's a standard thing or not. I don't have that many Diamond Art Club kits, so it is a little bit different for me. Okay, so let's open up our canvas. So even though it's a smaller canvas, it's still gonna have their soft canvas felty feel to them. And it's still not like the little diamonds that they have. They are still a pretty decent size. This is probably about the size that I enjoy doing all the time. It's not so overwhelming and it doesn't take you months to complete when you're like me and you only have like a few hours a day to complete something. But anywho, on the inside, you're going to have a thank you package. It's going to have some QR codes for discounts on the very back. And then it also has instructions in there if you need to know how to diamond paint. It's a pretty self-explanatory craft. It's not a hard craft. I love diamond painting. You just got to know how to read symbols and colors, and then you can add them together, and it's super easy. If you like to keep your diamonds separate when you do your storage, it does tell you the name on here. So you can always store it separately and then go back to it. Sheet will have Diamond Art Club at the very top, the name of your kit, which is Fox, the artist that created it, which this is Rita Kanye. You're going to have a spot for your start and end date. You're going to have your pretty little picture down here of your fox. The bottom's going to give you all the schematics that you need. And then on this side, you have all of your stickers that you can use for your storage kits. I highly suggest cutting the first number off and just using the last two, the symbol and the DMC code, because sometimes this will throw you off. Diamond Art Club is one of those that sometimes does use different numbers according to this. So it can throw you off if you're not paying attention. So I highly suggest just taking off the pink numbers and not even using them. Let's get to the canvas. Are you ready for it? It's super cute. I'm going to roll them backwards really fast. If you are new to diamond painting, it is perfectly fine to roll your Diamond Art Club canvases backwards because they are poured glue. Any poured glue canvas you can roll backwards. If you have a different canvas that's not poured glue, it may not roll backwards very well, especially if it's double-sided adhesive. Double-sided adhesive will definitely not work. So be careful when you're rolling them around, and I'm going to have to actually get the straightener out. The creases on this guy are really creasing. But look at him. Look how stinking cute. And there is a lot of color blocking, but also tad bits like the little snow or stars, whichever you want to call it, will be confetti because it's thrown in there. But it's a good confetti. There's still like some randos here and there, like there's an L and then the 310s. So it's not full color blocking, but I enjoy doing it like this versus actual color blocking. It's a me thing. I don't know. But it's super cute. And I will have to get the straightener out because like right here, there's a huge crease. I'll probably lay him out in my tote where I have all my diamond paintings ready to go. You've got the little twinkle in the eye too. How cute is he? So we will get that one kitted up probably sometime in February. No, but for real, like I don't know when I'm gonna work on it. There's so many kits that I have open and I need to finish. All right, so we're gonna go over the 4 special drills that are in here. There are 3 ABs and 1 fairy dust. And so we have 117, which is an AB, super brown, super cute brown. And that one right here in his little cheeks is going to be the brown AB. Then we have our fairy dust right here, which is a beautiful color. And this one is the letter T. Look like most of the T's are going to be down here in the leaves. So that will be really, really pretty. While we're down here, we are going to go through, we'll do this one, which is a 120, which is also an AB. And this one is the number 3. So again, it's going to be in the leaves of the blue color one though. And 140. Oh, I lied. So this one is actually going to be number 3, and that's in the leaves right there. So the 120 is the number 2s, so it'll be in this side of the leaves. So the other one is on the left side, and this one is going to be on the right side. So those are the special drills for this canvas. And as you see, we'll zoom in a little bit more. The symbols are super easy to see. Does look like they're going to have a number 3 right here in his eyeball. So that is also going to be an AB, which is going to be really pretty. I believe it'll be 140, this one right here. I don't know. I'm ready to do him. So cute. And if you've never done a Diamond Art Club before, they do have legends on both sides. So you're going to have one on the left or the right bottom, and then the left top. And then the very bottom, sometimes they'll be on the bottom, sometimes they'll be on the top for Diamond Art Club. Or maybe I'm getting mixed up with Dreamer Designs. Maybe Dreamer Designs is on the top and Diamond Art Club's always on the bottom. I don't know. But it tells you the sizing of your canvas on there. It gives you warranty information if you need to have that, a 10% code off if you need an extra 10% off, and tells you where to find them on Facebook or Instagram. So yeah, that kit is super fun. Yay! See you on the next one. If you have not subscribed yet, think about doing that. I greatly appreciate all of my subscribers. And leave a comment. Did you like this kit? Have you had smaller ones before? Let me know. You have a great day though. Bye!